Hi everyone, it's Carl here. I'm gonna do a taste test review of the ribeye steak I got from Prime Meats in Euclid, Ohio. Let's try this out. And there it is. Pretty good steak. Good quality meat for sure. Though it's a little more cheaper than Giant, that's a plus. But I still think Giant Eagle distributes the best steaks for sure. So yeah, definitely good steak. Yeah. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 score. Because the value, the price is good, and quality is good, so can't complain. So I recommend you try this for yourself, and let me know what you think when you try it. And have a good one. Bye now.